Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie, and it's been about a week since I came home from Taiwan to cover Computex 2018, where Asus unveiled the ROG phone, almost making us forget that they were releasing the Asus Zenfone 5Z in the country this month. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what comes inside the box and talking about who this phone might be for in this hands-on and quick review. So before we dive in, just a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next videos. You're also going to want to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We have a couple of giveaways lined up this month, so don't miss out on them. Okay, so let's show you what comes inside the box when you purchase an Asus Zenfone 5Z. Now, full disclosure, we've already done an unboxing for this. You may already have seen the article up on the website. Alright, so now that we've shown you what comes inside the box, let's talk about who this phone might be for. Now, this is a budget flagship smartphone, so if you're looking to get more bang for your buck, you're definitely gonna want to consider this phone. It's actually cheaper than the OnePlus 6. Again, cheaper than the OnePlus 6, which had the flagship killer moniker for quite a while now. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, an Adreno 630 GPU, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage. Now, if you're not familiar with the tech lingo, this means that it can handle anything and everything you're going to throw at it. If you're into games, a good alternative to the ROG phone if you're not going to be into like streaming or heavy gaming, if you're not going to be gaming for hours on end. A good alternative, I've tried Asphalt 9 on this phone and a couple of other games like PUBG Mobile. Runs absolutely smooth on the highest settings, so definitely not a problem for games. If you need a workhorse when you're out of the office and don't want to whip out a laptop, this is also a good alternative. Again, 6GB of RAM means you're going to be multitasking like a breeze. It's going to handle multitasking no problem whatsoever. And again, 128GB of storage means that if you're an app hoarder, if you download a lot of media, if you take a lot of photos, take a lot of videos, you're not going to be running out of onboard storage anytime soon. Plus, it's expandable, so micro SD slot, it'll be a while until you have to actually upload your photos and videos onto your hard drive or onto your laptop. So again, a good thing to have if you're looking for a budget smartphone that can handle anything, basically from day-to-day to heavy gaming. The Asus Zenfone 5Z is definitely a good fit for you. Now, of course, a couple of things that we wanted to see is a distinction between this and the base model, since the design is pretty much the same. You have a metal frame sandwiched by glass panels, the concentric circle design, a staple from Asus. Again, it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty premium. We think that this is one of the best phones that Asus has ever produced, along with the base model 5. But we were kind of hoping for a bit of distinction, maybe like a colorway that was exclusive to the 5Z. Maybe seeing that in the future, we don't know. But for now, we were hoping for a little something different for this phone, so that may be something to hold you back. Again, it's pretty much the same phone, the same with the display, 6.2-inch IPS panel, just a wider color gamut for more of a visual pop. Same dual camera setup, 12-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel wide-angle camera. Again, not bad. Scored a 90 on DxO mark, which is, all things considered, for the price, not bad at all. If you're looking for a budget device that's less than 30,000 pesos that can handle anything you throw at, very, very good fit. Okay, so let's talk about price. The Asus Zenfone 5Z is priced at 29,995 pesos and is available for pre-order until June 17, where you'll get a pair of JBL headphones, an Asus ZenPower Slim 3000 mAh power bank, and a clear case if you decide to pick it up within that period. Again, this is our initial take on this device. There will be a more comprehensive review in the future, so make sure you check back for that one. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next videos. Head to unbox.ph for all the latest tech news and gadget reviews. And again, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. There are giveaways lined up, so don't want to miss out on that one. My name is Jamie, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. Peace and God bless.